Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Glycowane. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a dietary supplement that is designed or help to manage your blood sugar levels. So as you can see, this is what it looks like here on their website. So basically, they didn't even try making their website beautiful or very good, since it's very low effort and it has this very predatory buy now button here. So as you can see, there's just a long paragraph of what their product does. So as you can see, as here on Trustpilot, they're graded 2.8 out of 5 stars, which is actually pretty bad. And let's read some reviews here. So, deceptive and dishonest, beware a scam, bad experience in ordering Glycowane, total scam, fairy dust, and that is basically it. So this is just inflated reviews from one of their owners or staff. So please guys, do not fall for this product, since it is very obviously a scam, and with it being a supplement that you intake into your body and then you don't know what this is, it could be very dangerous or even fatal. And that is basically it guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.